Welcome back to Autoverse, your home for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that's making serious waves in the family SUV market. Say hello to the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro E+, or, as you might know it, the Tiggo 8 PHEV. Now, we all know the SUV market is crowded, but Chery is coming in strong with a proposition that's hard to ignore. A premium-feeling 7-seat plug-in hybrid that doesn't require you to remortgage your house. But is it all just shiny promises, or does it actually deliver the goods? We're about to find out. We're going to walk through its design, pop the hood to see what makes it tick, explore every inch of this tech-packed interior, and of course, take it for a spin to see how it feels on the road. Is this the future of the family car? Let's get into it. First impressions matter, and the Tiggo 8 PHEV makes a strong one. Standing here, you can see Chery has put a lot of effort into the design. It's bold and commands a presence. Up front, you've got this massive Galaxy-inspired grille. It's intricate, with these diamond-like chrome elements that really catch the light. Flanking it are these sharp, full LED headlights that give it a very modern and aggressive stare. The blue accents on the grille and headlights are a subtle nod to its electrified nature, which I think is a nice touch. It doesn't scream, "I'm a hybrid." It whispers it. The overall silhouette is classic SUV. It's substantial, with a high roofline and strong shoulder lines that run the length of the vehicle, giving it a very solid and safe appearance. The 18-inch alloy wheels have a dynamic, almost turbine-like design that fills the wheel arches nicely. It's not overly flashy, but it has a definite premium vibe that could easily be mistaken for a much more expensive European brand. Walking around to the back, the design language continues. You have these sleek, connected LED taillights that span the width of the tailgate, a very popular and premium design trend right now. It really emphasizes the vehicle's width and gives it a distinct light signature at night. You'll also spot the Tiggo 8 Pro and PHEV badging, just in case you forgot what you're looking at. The dual exhaust tips are neatly integrated into the rear bumper. Though it's more for aesthetics, they complete the look. What's clever is how they've hidden the charging port. It's located on the front left fender, seamlessly integrated and easy to access. On the right side, you'll find the regular fuel filler cap. It's a clean, well-thought-out exterior package that feels cohesive and looks more expensive than it is. It's clear Chery isn't just competing on price. They're competing on style, too. Now, let's talk about what really sets this SUV apart. The powertrain. Under the hood is where the magic happens. This isn't your average engine bay. The Tiggo 8 PHEV combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine with not one, but 2 electric motors. This is a pretty sophisticated setup. Altogether, the system produces a combined output of around 320 horsepower and a very healthy 510 Newton-meters of torque. That's a lot of grunt for a family SUV. All that power is sent to the front wheels through a special transmission Chery calls the DHT, or Dedicated Hybrid Transmission. It's designed to seamlessly blend power from the engine and the electric motors for maximum efficiency and smooth performance. It's an impressive engineering feat, promising the punchy acceleration of an EV with the long-distance convenience of a petrol car. But the key feature of any PHEV is its battery and electric range. The Tiggo 8 PHEV is equipped with a 19.27 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Chery claims this will give you an all-electric range of around 75 kilometers on a full charge. That's a really significant number. For most people, that means your daily commute, school runs, and grocery shopping can all be done purely on electric power without using a single drop of fuel. You essentially have an EV for your daily life and a hybrid for those long weekend road trips. This is the core promise of a plug-in hybrid, and the Tiggo 8 seems to have the numbers to back it up. We'll test the real-world range later, but on paper, it's very compelling. All right, step inside with me, because this interior is where the Tiggo 8 really tries to wow you, and honestly, it succeeds. The first thing you notice is this massive dual-screen setup. You have a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster for the driver and another 12.3-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system, both housed in one sleek panel. It looks incredibly modern. The graphics are crisp, and the system is pretty responsive. Below that, there's a third screen, an 8-inch touchscreen dedicated to the climate controls. It's a very tech-forward approach. The material quality is surprisingly good. There's soft touch material on the dashboard and door tops, and this quilted synthetic leather on the seats and door panels looks and feels fantastic. It gives the cabin a genuine luxury feel. The ambient lighting with multiple color options adds to that premium atmosphere at night. It's a very pleasant place to be. But a family SUV needs to be practical, right? So let's talk space and comfort. The front seats are heated and ventilated, which is a feature you usually find in much pricier cars. They're comfortable and offer plenty of adjustment. Moving to the second row, there's ample legroom and headroom for adults. The seats can slide and recline, which is great for finding the perfect comfort level on long journeys. Now, the third row. Like most SUVs in this class, it's best suited for children or for short trips with adults. But the fact that you have 7 seats adds a huge layer of versatility. With the third row folded down, which is very easy to do, you have a massive cargo area. There's plenty of space for luggage, strollers, or a big shopping trip. There are also clever storage compartments, USB ports in all 3 rows, and a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with light, making it feel even more spacious. Okay, moment of truth. Let's hit the road and see how this all comes together. Starting up, it's completely silent, pulling away on pure electric power. In EV mode, the acceleration is instant and smooth. It's perfect for city driving. Quiet, responsive, and effortless. When you need more power and press the accelerator firmly, the 1.5-liter turbo engine kicks in. The transition is impressively seamless. You can barely feel or hear the engine coming to life. When both the engine and motors are working together in hybrid mode, this thing is genuinely quick. Overtaking on the highway is a breeze. That 5 and 10 Newton-meters of torque really makes its presence felt, pushing you back in your seat. It feels much faster than you'd expect a 7-seat SUV to be. The steering is light, which is great for parking and maneuvering in tight city streets, though it could use a bit more feedback on twisty roads. In terms of ride comfort, the suspension does a good job of soaking up most bumps and imperfections in the road. It's clearly tuned for comfort over sporty handling, which is exactly what you want in a family vehicle. It's a quiet and serene cruiser, especially when running on electric power. The cabin is well insulated from road and wind noise, adding to that premium experience. You also have a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. These systems work well and take a lot of the stress out of long drives and tricky parking situations. The 360-degree camera, in particular, is crystal clear and makes navigating tight spots incredibly easy. It feels safe, secure, and very easy to live with. So, after spending the day with the Chery Tiggo 8 PHEV, what's the verdict? I have to say, I'm genuinely impressed. Chery has delivered a vehicle that offers a staggering amount of value. You're getting a stylish, spacious 7-seat SUV packed with modern technology, a luxurious-feeling interior, and a sophisticated plug-in hybrid powertrain that delivers both performance and the potential for incredible fuel efficiency. The ability to do your daily driving completely on electric power is a game-changer for running costs. Of course, it's not perfect. The third row is tight for adults, and driving enthusiasts might want more steering feel, but for its intended audience, modern families looking for a versatile, feature-rich, and economical vehicle, the Tiggo 8 PHEV is an incredibly compelling option. It seriously challenges the established players and proves that you do not have to spend a fortune to get a car that feels premium and is packed with future-facing technology. It's a bold move from Chery. And it shows they are not just here to compete, they're here to win. It makes you rethink what you can and should expect from a car at this price point. If you're in the market for a family SUV and have been curious about making the switch to a plug-in hybrid, you absolutely need to have the Chery Tiggo 8 PHEV on your test drive list. It might just surprise you. That's all for our first look today here on Autoverse. What do you think of this rising star? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.